In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to enable or disable your microphone access on your Acer laptop, tablet, or desktop computer. So this should hopefully be a pretty straightforward process, guys. And without further ado, let's go ahead and jump straight into it. So all I have to do is open up the search menu and type in settings. Best result should come back with settings here. Go ahead and open that up. Select system on the left panel, and then on the right side, select sound. And then scrolling down underneath advanced, select all sound devices, and then select your microphone from the list. And then if you want to disable it, select don't allow, or if you want to enable it, select allow. And that's pretty much it. So as always, thank you guys for watching this brief tutorial. I do hope I was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.